Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can invite people to Google Chat. Super simple to do. You're going to select new chat and you're going to add one or more people and you're going to type in their email. I'm just going to type in my other email that I don't really use. Can I type hello? Press enter and they'll be added immediately. Then you're going to select start chat. That is it pretty much. My god, why did it disappear? Can I type? Oh my god. My typing skills are out of this world. And then you're going to select start chat here. And then it's going to bring you to this page. It's also the same on your phone, by the way, but just say hi, and that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.